This is my current sim racing setup. A $500 wheelbase with a $350 steering wheel, $200 pedals, $170 handbrake and a $200 shifter mounted to a $800 cockpit. And this is a complete setup with a wheel and pedals that I paid $14 for. It features 90 degrees of rotation for precise input, 3 suction cup mounts for extra stability, pedals that you can operate with one toe, a Formula 1 open wheel style, and obviously no force feedback. Because the best drivers in this world don't need it. And 1 month ago I made a mistake by saying this.
If this video gets 50,000 likes, I will do a car hunt with this thing.
Today, my oligarch cousin will use this wheel to collect 4 packages scattered across this map, while being chased by 15 police officers. The car he will use to escape the police is a Racing Cockpit, the first front-wheel drive car in the Carhunt series. There is a problem though. The car is currently in Italy, while the packages are in the USA. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. The Racing Cockpit has nuclear submarine capabilities. Did I mention that it's possessed by a demon that likes to customize cars?
I love our annual bridge meeting.
I love them pink glazed donuts.
Everyone. Man.
Guys, he's here!
Hey! Go get his asshole!
Let's go!
I want you to go get his ass motherfucker now!
No, There's Oh my god!
Where did he go?
Let's keep going!
This is the start of the video.
Starting the worst way.
That's amazing.
Hey, turn around!
Shit! Turn around!
What the hell is happening?
Oh my god!
Oh
my
shit,
god! What the fuck is that?
He's in the corner, I swear.
He went back.
Yeah.
The one
Oh my
we
god.
came from.
Do not go backwards. Which one, damn it?
Where
I'm at
did
one.
he go, guys? Where did he go? Where did he go?
Where is he?
I'm gonna go straight.
Don't go forward.
No!
Lord Jesus!
Where is he?
Don't even ask.
Is there any visual on him? I need confirmation.
We met at. He's at that bridge, man.
Oh shit! I saw Mikey, he's here!
Where is he? Where's here?
Where is
He's
here?
here is close to the racetrack. He is close to the woods, kind of. He was at that intersection that then leads to the racetrack.
Nobody got a damn visual on his ass.
Well, hot diggity damn. Let's find this on him.
Female dog.
We gotta try harder for this.
Female dog.
Well, if any gentleman can tell us where he is, I would be so pleased.
I'll be patrolling
He is
the
near
woods.
the racetrack at the intersection.
If you can't find him, it's okay if you patrol the neighborhood. Please remind we got families to feed. I don't want nobody dying here today.
Is there an update on the subject? I repeat, is there an update on the subject's location?
Nope.
I am patrolling the residential area. I don't see shit, son.
What direction did he go in? I'm at the intersection.
Last seen up mountain.
What?
He's not
He's on the bridge! He's on the bridge! He's on the bridge! He's on the bridge!
Which bridge?
Oh, next to the bridge,
Golden
at the
Gate?
intersection.
Golden Gate?
He's going towards the gas station. He's going towards the gas station.
He's going
Or
away.
he's going towards the gas station.
What gas station? What
The
gas
one near the fucking
near the
he's
what?
off road. Okay, he just turned around. He's back on the road. He's at the intersection at the racetrack.
Heading where?
He's heading towards the residential area.
I almost hit him now. Fucking hell.
I see him. He's going on. He's coming here. The intersection next to the mountain.
Where?
He's
on highway intersection.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Oh shit.
Well,
Did he go to residential?
No,
Are
you
you
fucking died.
on the highway?
I see him.
Oh, he's sprung onto the racetrack.
Where did he go? Where did he go?
The off-road track over there.
It's a box of cocaína, pues. Ahí.
Cocaína,
On the racetrack
cocaína,
now?
traficante de droga.
Yeah, he's passing the directions.
You have
Oh my
10
fucking god, how
FPS
is
and
he
you
slow?
just left.
What is?
At this point, my cousin had no idea how his car still managed to drive in a straight line. Now he's making his way to the gas station to repair the damage before the police arrives.
I lost him.
Okay, I'm gonna go. We should get in the opposite right direction, like oh yeah.
Hopefully catch up to him before
oh
he
my
goes.
god, my tire.
The jump scare. Guys, where are you exiting racetrack? Did he
Oh
go
my god,
there?
dude.
Wow, I'm sorry.
I'm
you find
trying
him?
not to spin out.
No.
Do you have some box or something?
Posting him last.
Going outer circuit.
Where is he?
I don't see him.
Same here. I'm here to enforce the immigration policy.
Yeah,
He
I
might
don't
have
see him.
gone.
We are
might have
15
gone out of-
people and we don't find him.
He might have gone off the racetrack.
I'm going to see if
No.
he's in the residential
He
area.
went off the
Where is it?
racetrack.
I think we lost track. I just lost track.
He just disappeared.
Be on the lookout for boxes.
Okay,
Yeah?
he's like near the
yeah,
gold
right.
again. He's going to the city.
I see.
He's
I
going
see.
to the
I
city.
see. I see. I see.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ow.
Is he gonna pass the port?
I found a box. I found a box, guys. Between the highway and
Close door yet?
Shit!
I found a box. What do I do with it?
Holy shit, he was going behind
I
me.
wanna stay. I'm near the
I
pier.
crashed. My game crashed. I'm gonna restart.
I see you. I'm trying to head over to.
He's in the docks.
Do we have? He's in a box.
The city.
Okay.
Going behind you.
On the highway.
We're passing the.
Oh shit!
He rolled over. Oh god.
But he's good.
Hospital. We're passing hospital. We're going through the hospital now.
My car likes
Exiting.
Okay.
Passing the gas station next to the hospital.
On you guys.
He's going to the parking lot on the. Yeah, the parking lot near the port.
Okay, he's right to the.
He's in the parking lot now.
On the parking lot.
Is he still in the harbor? In the.
Yeah, he is. He got a box. Okay, he's driving towards Golden Gate Bridge.
Oh god. It's going to Golden Gate. I'm gonna intercept him. I can intercept him.
Don't.
Where is he now?
He's passing Golden Gate Bridge now.
I understand
Oh, dear.
nothing.
He's heading towards
heading-
the highway end. Highway end.
I am gonna get him.
Holy shit.
Oh my god!
Speed and power.
Is he back on the coastal road?
Yes, he is. He's driving
Oh
towards
my.
the highway.
Oh god, there's Muir
And
in his rocket ship.
That doesn't turn. Oh,
You're on highway.
Highway.
turn.
We're going towards the toll road.
Where did he go? Where did he go? Oh,
Highway. They're head.
And now I present to you a special technique, the slap.
I am in the sunburst.
I'm gonna see if I can catch up. I'm gonna see if I can catch up to him.
I wiped him out.
I'm faster than me. Well, let's go together.
Power to weight ratio.
Oh, you fucker!
There he is. There,
Oh, you fucker!
there he is. There he is.
Nice bumper, nice bumper.
I hope I'm heavy enough for him.
Something is blocking. Wait, I think someone's
He's
bumper is blocking.
going.
What is it? Oh no!
Where he is?
I abused him.
The second slap attempt didn't work, but luckily a gas station is very close to his current location.
Will I be still alive?
He's heading away from Toll Road. He went down the slipway, he's going into tunnels.
I'm dead.
I hit him a little too hard.
So I am next to the right.
Oh, I see him.
Most racist.
Oh, you said
I fucking weird.
I don't have brakes.
Where did he go?
he's in the city.
Oh, there he is.
I'm on him.
He's close to spawn point, default spawn point.
He's at the road at least. He's at the cafe, he's at the diner.
Heading towards where?
Why
Oh,
is my car so
He
slow?
turned back into the city.
no. Oh shit, I spawned.
Oh god.
What do you expect from
Oh, you're passing the trams. Which way did you go?
500
one left.
horsepower. Equal. Oh fuck.
Oh
Sorry.
shit.
How you doing, Instagram? It's Big Time Tommy.
Update please, update.
He's going down to the city. Oh shit. Oh. I crashed.
Whoa!
Where is he?
Found him. He's at the park, he's at the park.
The new park?
Where?
Like the park, yeah, when you go.
Oh shit, there he is. Then he's gone down the little parkway in the park.
Hello.
In the city now.
Policeman.
You may now wonder why it takes so long to pick up the last box. Well, as it turns out, he forgot the location of the last box. All he remembers is that it's somewhere in the downtown area.
Where is
He's in
he?
he's in the back alleys.
The MF planned it out.
Oh, I see.
Where is he? Where is he?
He's
There he
gonna
is.
pass the hospital.
Okay.
Whoa! There he is! Shit!
Cool, Burger.
He ran right.
My fucking engine keeps turning off. I think that's
He's back in the
How to
fucking
turn
gas
on
station.
the map?
Oh, he hit the
Hit in a bush.
How to turn on the map?
Quick tutorial on YouTube.
Is he gone from here?
Okay, wait, I'm actually gonna open
He ran again, I guess.
I actually can't. I have the map on, but it doesn't help.
He's passing the cool burger, right?
Go fast.
I will. Where did he go?
Lowrider.
There he is!
He's
Next to
going
parking lot.
to the parking lot.
Go. I'm just.
He's going into the parking lot.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yes, I have 10 FPS.
Block the exit. Block the exit.
My audio's cutting out.
I saw him.
Oh, he's going gas station road.
No wait, he turned right.
Oh, he's not on the parking lot.
I know that this was a lot of action, but trust me, it will get even crazier.
Up,
He's at the diner. He's at the diner.
up to this. And turn left, right. He's going on the main road.
No. Up in
He's
the
heading
city.
he's heading east-west now.
And again,
Okay.
Church.
Now he's going down.
I keep forgetting to turn.
My alpha.
Oh fuck, wrong button.
Where is he? Where is the boy?
He's in the lowest part of the city. He took the train station route. What the fuck? We're in some kind of tunnel.
Train station route? There he is.
How you doing, Instagram? It's Big Time Tommy.
Oh,
Sorry.
where did he go? Where did he go?
Left.
The steering is gone.
He went left.
He's driving the van. Well, I'm sorry, just.
Numbers out of the way.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, Jesus. Where did he go? Where did he go?
This is not
Did he go up?
found anymore.
I think he crossed the.
All packages are collected. Now, all he needs to do is to escape from the city by jumping on the conveniently placed ramp.
highway.
I somewhere.
Oh, I see.
Alpha. Sorry. Excuse me.
So we're going highway.
Yeah, we're going
No,
highway.
no. He's going like
Where is he? Sorry.
lowest city.
Lower
city,
Head left.
Yeah.
Lower city to the sea.
He's going
or...
up. He's going up near the park. He's gonna go be near the park. Near the park. He's gonna go be near the park. Okay, he took
Shit.
the left. Okay, he took the left. He's gonna be near the police station. Gonna be soon. By the police now. We are going to the lower part of the map.
I'm closing in on the highway.
We go highway.
Oh,
No, but he's...
we are on the main road.
That's
Where is he now?
eventually where you need to go.
Main road. Going up? No. We are near the hospital at the bottom. He took the hospital route. Please someone cut him off. I'm not gonna be able to catch him.
I'll try. I am here.
Okay, he's at the hospital exit.
Let's protect all.
I'll just leave it.
Okay. He took the train. I mean the tunnel near the hospital.
I have no idea where that is. I'm just aimlessly wandering
Okay.
around.
He's now going up to the Chinatown, I suppose.
I'm at the boys. Stand by.
Damn.
Oh, there he is. Jesus Christ.
Oh my
That was
God.
stupid.
What have you done?
Okay, he's on the parking.
Parking lot.
Yep, parking lot.
Running off.
It's not in. Okay, he went out.
Where is he?
Okay, he took the... I hit him. He's trying to take the highway, like exit.
What highway? Where?
He went up highway.
He's going to the tolls.
He's going to toll roads.
The tolls. On that side.
We need to stop him because behind the end.
Go, Muya, go!
I think it was the last.
Oh, it might have been.
My steering is kind of
my
fucked.
wheel's dead.
I'll try to get him.
Damn, you're getting closer.
Oh!
Damn, you're getting closer.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I think he still can drive.
Yeah, he's driving.
Cut him off, please. Someone. Oh, that's good.
Let's go.
Whoever was waiting is pretty much dead. I think we got him.
He crashed. We got him just in time.
Yes, sir. The best server in the world.
That was out of nowhere, what the fuck?
Right before the end.
Before you go, I have a cool suggestion for you. If you are a diehard Carhunt fan, then check out this short fan-made 2-year Carhunt anniversary video. I didn't even realize it's 2 years now. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. More stuff is on the way.